Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest in tech and gear. Today, we've got something for the on-the-go professionals and students alike, the High Sierra Freewheel wheeled laptop backpack. But before we roll into this review, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss our in-depth product critiques. Let's dive in. The High Sierra Freewheel wheeled laptop backpack is a versatile and feature-packed companion for those who need to carry their essentials and tech gear effortlessly. With its large, multi-compartment design, it offers much more than your typical backpack. Let's take a closer look. First off, the Freewheel boasts a spacious multi-compartment design, perfect for keeping your belongings organized. There's even a fully padded cushion-zoned computer sleeve that can accommodate most 15-inch laptops. Say goodbye to the stress of carrying multiple bags. This backpack has got you covered. The backpack features a deluxe media pocket with a headphone port, allowing you to keep your devices safely stored while enjoying your favorite tunes or podcasts. Now, here's where the wheeled part comes into play. The corner-mounted wheels provide a smooth rolling experience, making it a breeze to navigate through crowded airports, campuses, or city streets. No more straining your back with a heavy load. Let the backpack do the heavy lifting. When you're ready to roll, simply extend the hideaway telescoping handle for effortless maneuverability. It neatly stores under a zippered cover when not in use, maintaining the backpack's sleek profile. But wait, there's more. High Sierra knows that sometimes, you'll want to wear your backpack the traditional way. That's why they've equipped the Freewheel with Vapor mesh padded shoulder straps that can be stowed behind a zippered, primary padded back panel. So, whether you're rolling or wearing it on your back, comfort is always a priority. The Freewheel also comes with a side beverage pocket, triangle clip for attaching extra gear, corner guards, a kick plate for added durability, and a Vapor mesh padded grab handle. Plus, there's a reflective strip for added safety in low light conditions. Don't forget the organizer pocket. It's perfect for keeping smaller items secure with multiple pockets, including a zippered mesh pocket, pen pockets, a lidded media pocket, and a key fob hook. No more rummaging around for your essentials. In conclusion, the High Sierra Freewheel wheeled laptop backpack is the ultimate travel companion for anyone who values convenience, organization, and style. Whether you're a student rushing to class or a professional jet setting across the globe, this backpack has got your back, literally. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more product critiques and tech explorations, subscribe to Product Critique and hit that notification bell. Thanks for rolling with us today, and until next time, stay mobile and stay tech savvy.